Here's the brand new cordless table saw from FESTOOL. And if you release this green button right here, it will release the extension cable. It flips right up. And this will allow you to move your fence. And over here you'll find the green button on the side, which turns the machine on, which turns on the display screen, which allows you to perform a wide range of functions. And if you push this top button and turn this knob, it will allow you to raise and lower the blade according to whatever's on here. Here's an inch and an eighth. And if you push this bottom button, that will be changing your angle of the blade. Right there's a 20-degree angle. And on the right side of the screen, you'll see a list of measurements. Right here's an 1.25 inches. You just highlight it, and it's got a 45-degree angle. So you just hold this button in, and you'll see it'll automatically adjust the height to 1.25 inches and a 45-degree. There's the green check mark. If you want to go down to transport mode by P, or to change out the riving knife, you just go down to where it's highlighted, push this button in, and it'll automatically go to that setting. And if you push the button once and then twice, it gives you a menu of multiple things you can do. Like right here, speed. You can change the speed, you can adjust the saw blade, you can calibrate the cutting height, you can calibrate the cutting angle. Also, there's a reference drive for the saw blade. There's a help quick guide. You can change the unit to inches or millimeters if you want. And then you can also reset it to factory settings. And even there's language. You can pick whatever language applies to you. So we'll leave it in English. And then with the saw in that position, we can come back here and grab the Allen wrench and take it out and slide it into this hole right here. And this will allow us to take out the riving knife. And then we can come inside the top of the carrying case and we can unclip the blade guard, which we can then slide in on top of the blade. Another thing inside the carrying case is the dust collection bag. Has this nice little zipper right here. Makes it easy access to empty out your dust. And you can just hook it on right back here. It's got a lock right here. Just turn it, it opens. And it just snaps into place like that. So this is great for when you don't have a dust collection, you're on a mobile site doing a job for a client or whatnot. And also inside the carrying case is a spot right here for extra blades that just locks on. And also inside the carrying case is the guide fence to the sliding table, which you can remove by pushing this green button. And this will attach to my most favorite thing about the saw is the sliding table function. You can adjust these two knobs here, which will allow you to adjust the angle of the fence and the location of the fence. And to install this, all you do is pull this little green lever right here, and then you slide it right in here. And then to lock it in, you just push this green lever right back in. And to unlock the slide, you just pull this little green lever here, and this will allow you to adjust the slide, move it back and forth. Really nice and smooth. And if you loosen this knob right here, this will allow you to adjust it 70 degrees on this side and also 70 degrees on this side. And if you want to adjust the slide, you just unlock this. This will give you optimal positioning for your fence. By placing the board on top, this allows you to make very precise and accurate cuts. Something else really cool that FESTOOL has come up with is this mobile base that this fits on. This comes up like so and allows for your material to be held up in 3 different positions that we'll go into. First, if you've got the saw set up for cross cuts, you can put your material on, push it to the fence, and this fold up position right here will help support your material going forward and backwards, which is really cool. And the second one would be if you adjust the angle of your saw to make a big angle cut, then you can turn and adjust your saw and align the saw foot pegs for the different foot peg positions for your material. And that puts the saw at an angle where you can still use this flip up piece to support your material while you're making your cuts. And the last one is if you turn it and use these 4 slots right here and you take off this fence, then you're set up to make more traditional rip cuts. And when you're pushing your material through, you've got your little push stick right here on the side to keep your fingers safe. This new table saw from FESTOOL is easily one of the most innovative tools on the market today. It's compact and lightweight. It's easy to pack up and move from job site to job site. It's cordless. The angle and height of the blade is easily electronically adjusted. It comes with a slide function and angle guide. It has a powerful motor, and it's covered by the full FESTOOL all-inclusive warranty. So what's there not to like about this? The only thing I could think of would be for it to have a power cord. But other than that, I really like this, and FESTOOL knocked it out of the park again.